I would be shocked if there aren't a huge number of similar style systems built. And the
Hmm.
reason for that is that trying to do what we're doing, trying to organize incentives and disincentives, and then organize global payout. Like we have around about 1.8 million people signed up, of which around 800,000 of those are actively contributing data, and they're
Hmm.
across 100 plus countries. And so if I want to pay these people fiat, I need to go
Hmm.
and create banking relationships with a crazy number of different banks, and I need to
Hmm.
go and get myself to a compliant position with a ton of different regulatory bodies.
Hmm.
And then I have to handle all of the FX risk because I can't pay
Hmm.
everybody dollars. I can't pay
Hmm.
everybody euros. Like it's
Hmm.
100 different countries.
Hmm.
And so using on-chain infrastructure enables us to just apply a standard to the entire problem. If you think about a company like Uber, they
Hmm.
had to go country to country. They had to figure out the regulation and they had to figure out how on earth to pay drivers in every single country. That's a
Hmm.
massive part of the headache that they had when they were scaling their business. We don't need to have that headache. We can use something like USDC. It's
Hmm.
accepted in any wallet. It doesn't matter what country the person is within. As long as they have a mobile phone or a laptop, they can spin up a wallet, they can receive that USDC. And
Hmm.
at this stage, in 2025, there are fiat off ramps in essentially every single currency you can imagine to allow that person, if they wish, to flip from USDC back to Brazilian reais or Argentinian pesos or whatever currency they need. And so big tick in terms of like speed to deploy.
Hmm.
And then there are companies that are set up to handle stablecoin payments and
Hmm.
they look after all of the regulatory piece. And so I don't need to go out and figure out how to become compliant in 100 plus countries. I can
Hmm.
partner with two or three stablecoin providers. They deal with compliance and they deal with payouts. And
Hmm.
I'm essentially fast tracked